Hey, how's it going? My name's Montana, from Alaska, but born in Arkansas. And now I live in Nashville, Tennessee. Originally I went up to Alaska to run dogs, and I realized that was more of a passion than a way to financially make money. Did a lot of odd jobs here and there, but now I build ponds and loving it. My fiance, who is now my wife, brought me down here. I like all aspects of it. You know, getting to meet the clients and actually, you know, talk to them, see what they want to do, and you know, throwing my own artistic flair on projects that we do. And also, honestly, just working with the crew that we have is really great. Working with Chris, seeing his artistic side come out is really cool, and learning from him as well, and learning from everybody really. I found JVI actually just by, I was driving past the garden center, and I used to work up at a greenhouse in Alaska, and so I stopped in and really liked just the look, layout of the land essentially, and then I saw that they build ponds, and I thought that was pretty cool, and so I just reached out and I asked one of the employees if they were hiring, and I got Derek's information. I reached out to him and just like, hey, I have some experience in this, I know how to drive machinery, and I like being outside all the time. I was like, rain, shine, whatever the weather, it doesn't bother me. And he threw me on the crew and tried out, and it was a good fit. I love it here. I've been here for about 3 months now, and I don't see myself leaving anytime soon.